welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my first BoxyLuxe unboxing and try on for the month of December. I have a special guest with me today. But this is the look that I came up with. I like the eyes, but what's throwing it off for me is the lip color and the highlighter. This month's theme is whimsy, and my box variation is 23. The first thing that I got was this Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tales palette. Fairy Tales Little Beer Rose palette, I think that's the way you say it. And this retails for $55. And this is what the shades look like. I'm doing a blue look and it didn't work out. I was trying to see if I could do with these three blue shades here, but it didn't work out. So I just ended up doing this red look. I actually wanted to use this red kiss color right here because it's so pretty and it has glitter in it, but that didn't work out with the darker red that I used, so this is what I came up with. But I like this palette a lot. It's super cute, it's super nice. It does honestly look like a freaking book, like what? But I do like this a lot. Got was this Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream, and this retails for $39. It was super cold when I put it on my face. It was freaking cold. But this is so nice, and it's like a nice light kind of like cream color. I like it a lot. I was actually in need of a new moisturizer. I do like this. Next thing I got was the Ciate Confetti Highlighter. This retails for $32. It looks like this, has like all the reflective stuff on it. I don't like this. I really don't. Like it, if you swirl your fingers in it, you're gonna get like this rose gold, reddish orange type of highlighter, and like that's what I got going on, like majorly on my nose and on my cheeks. I kind of went in a little bit heavy-handed with it. I wish I could have gotten a different color, but that's okay. I just go in light-handed the next time, so no big deal. The next thing that I got that I did not use is the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser, and this retails for $48. This is like to wipe off, or it's like a face cleanser, so it's like a makeup remover. Obviously I started out without any makeup because I didn't know what I was getting, so this I'm going to use tonight and see how I like it. But that is one thing I didn't use, so I can't really give you my opinion on that. The next thing that I got was a Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick. This retails for $21, and I got the shade Faking It, which is what I have on my lips right now. I will go ahead and swatch it next to the highlighter for you all so you guys can see it. But I just think I picked the wrong eyeshadow look to use this liquid lip, and it's a metallic one too with it. I can make it work in other looks, and this smells so good. This smells like chocolate. But yeah, just with this look, it didn't go, so, but I do like it. The next thing I got was the In Beauty Power Up Dual Face Setting Face Mist, and this retails for $32. It already separated, and it's really weird. You guys can see where, I don't know if it'll pick it up, but it's like blue, and then it's like this oil right here. You're supposed to shake it, and when you shake it, it like turns like purple, bluish or something. Well, the first time I shook it, it turned purple, and I was like, what? But I guess I'm not shaking it right. But when you shake it, it looks like that, which is super cool. It kind of has like a weird smell to it, but I like the mist. Like the mist is just, yes, like it's a nice mist. I like this a lot. The next thing that I got was the Kat Von D Dagger Tattoo Liner in Trooper Black. This retails for $20. And it looks like this. It's like the little felt tip that comes on it. Honestly, guys, I don't know. I just can't work with Kat Von D's felt tip eyeliners. Like I can't. I had the other one, like the regular one that she has, and I cannot work with that one. So I don't know if it's just me or if it's the eyeliner or what it is. I don't know, but I mean, I tried, and obviously this one came out bigger than this one, like it always does. Like, I'm never like perfect with my eyeliner, but I just couldn't. But I do like Kat Von D, and I do like her products, but I just couldn't do it with this eyeliner. I just, no. The next thing that I got was the Cosmetics Facial Roller, which looks like this. And this retails for $69, which is like super expensive for a cosmetic roller. This is so cool how this like rolls. Like, I like it. I used it with the moisturizer today, and I like it so much. I've been wanting to get a roller like the marbled ones that everybody has. I'll insert a picture here somewhere so you guys know what I'm talking about. But I finally got one, so I'm super happy. And then the last thing that I got was the Ritual of Sakura Shower Gel. This retails for $9.50. I didn't use it today because I thought it was hair mousse, but then I read it and it's a body wash, so I was like, oh my god. So I didn't use this either today, but I'm assuming we're gonna smell like cherry blossoms, so I'll let you guys know if I like the scent of it or not. But my whole box total retail value was $320.50. I enjoyed everything that I got except like the eyeliner, but other than that, I enjoyed everything I got. I did throw in a couple of first impressions in here just because I'm trying to incorporate a bunch of new products in my videos as well. But I don't know if you guys are gonna get frustrated with first impressions, like after video after video after video. So I'm trying to like switch it up for you guys. So a couple of first impressions on you guys, my thoughts on them, because there's like a bunch of stuff and my area is just a total mess right now. First thing that I used was this Revolution Fast-Based Concealer in C3. I think this was just a little bit too pink for me, but I made it work. The next thing that I used was the e.l.f. Prep and Blur Stick. Same thing, it felt really nice. It went on really easy. The only thing is that with these type of things, it pulls on your skin. So, kind of pulling your skin down, but that's okay. So far, I like it. If you guys hear that noise, that's my son, okay? I'm not farting. It's him. He's playing. I'm gonna have to keep messing with it. Obviously, I just put my makeup on right now, so I haven't worn it for like forever, so I can't really say like it does make your makeup last or doesn't. I just have to keep trying it out. The next thing that I did a first impression of was the Makeup Revolution Mega Bronzer, and I have the shade 01 Cool. I think this is just a little bit too cool for me, a little bit too much on the orangey side. I do know they have a different shade. They have 02 Bronze, I think. I'm not too sure what the other shade name is, but I know they have a second shade. I think the second shade that they have of this would work better for my skin tone because it's just a little bit too orangey for me. Used was the Maybelline Master Fix Face Studio like loose powder. I heard that this gives you a lot of flashback, and honestly, I don't like it. It smells really weird. I don't know if I got like a whiff of it like wrong or something, but it didn't smell good. And I feel like it makes me look even more white and washes me out even more with all like the different lighting that I have going on here. I don't know. But other than that, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my review of my first and last BoxyLuxe of the year. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to click the little bell so you guys will be notified the next time I upload. And without further ado, let's just go ahead and get onto this try-on video.